I don't think it's possible to speak about what would be the impact because we don't know. What is our strategy? I think that's pretty clear. We decided that we will engage the Trump administration early on this set of issues. We were very open with them, very constructive with them, as they were with us. What we agreed to do was to try to negotiate a bilateral trade agreement by fall of this year. To the best of my knowledge, and I could be corrected here, I think we are the only country after President Trump has assumed presidency the second time which has actually reached such an understanding in principle. So I don't know, every country, because every country is tariffed, okay? So every country in the world today is fashioning its own strategy of dealing with the United States. In our case, our strategy has a goal, and the goal is to see whether it's possible to actually deal with this situation by concluding a bilateral trade agreement. And I should add that in an interesting way, this has long been our objective. The present situation may have created the circumstances for such a serious conversation. But if you look at President Trump's first term, we were actually negotiating a trade deal which could not fructify. And if one looks even at Biden's administration, we discussed trade possibilities and we ended up with the IPEF initiative. They were very averse to doing a bilateral agreement. So from the Indian perspective, actually doing, working out something bilaterally with the United States is not at all a sort of a negative or a sort of unwanted situation. On the contrary, it is something which has long been our objective.